This is Kenneth. He has built a great security company providing guards for commercial sites. But there just aren't enough people to fill his posts. This requires overtime pay and it is killing his business. His customers are not happy and want more. If only his guards could be in multiple places at the same time. Introducing ROG. It is the first service which sends video alerts in real time to standing or patrol guards. They can now be deployed where they need to be, when they most need to be there. ROG uses artificial intelligence to watch and analyze the video feed from a customer's security cameras. Then it alerts the guards about potential issues before they become a problem. The platform is cloud-based. There's no need to buy expensive new cameras. ROG uses technology to make more money on each guard hour billed. Kenneth's company immediately sees a bump in profits with ROG, and he is delighted. Book your online demo today. www.gorog.co/demo